Ta-da!
What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie. I am back with all that budget goodness that y'all love your boy for. We got some new stuff in here from Brainwavz. Now, if you heard of that company, man, they make some real quality stuff. I plan to get some more in here soon. They got some studio monitor headphones I want to check out. You know how I feel about those. But they sent over these, this S0 IEM earphones. Now, depending on where I'm at in my house, depends on what kind of headphones I'm using. If I'm in my setup, I'll have my studio monitors. If I'm out and about, I have some Bluetooth wireless headphones. But most of the time when I'm in the house, listening to music on my phone or just walking around, I use a pair of earbuds or in-ear monitors for that nice, clean, crisp sound. And these supposedly got that sound. Now, they also sent over this. This is the Krudul or the Krudul Duo. Now, what this is a system for you to store your headphones. Now, you can place these up in a particular location that you'll keep your headphones at, wrap them around them, have them looking nice, so you're not like me with headphones and wires just strewn everywhere. Maybe this will help me clean up so C-Hovel won't get mad at me. We're gonna check this out as well. But these Brainwavz S0 IEM earphones, they got 9mm drivers, built-in microphone and remote. Should work with all your phones, iOS, Android, whatever. If you got a Windows phone and they don't work with that, I don't know what to tell you. They got tri-flange tips, bi-flange tips, small tips, large tips, and they even got a pair of Comply foam tips. So if you're into the Comply foam and you like that in your headphones, they got a pair in here as well. These look nice, man. I like this box, man. This is some good packaging. Here, let's just see what we could do. Can I slide that open? Let's see, are these gonna troll me? Oh, there we go. Let's just slide that off. Slide that over here next to the little plant. Oh man, I don't know if you see that Brainwavz on the side. And then they got the 24 right here. Why does it say 24? Oh, a 24-month warranty. So you get a 2-year warranty on these. So that's pretty good, man, for some budget headphones to know if anything happens, you got 2 years on them. So let's see, let's pop these open. Woo, let's see what they say right here. At Brainwavz, we have a simple mission: to produce innovative, high-quality audio products with a dedicated focus on high-fidelity sound. Our strength, success, and product range is built on a unique relationship with our customers, a relationship that has produced a simple and obvious result. We give real users real sound quality. Well, we're gonna test that out, man, because I always say it's about the sound when it comes to the headphones, but I can't front. This packaging is nice. I'm not mad at this at all. This is an experience. This makes you feel like you got a little something with your headphones right here. So you have this case. I'm guessing that's where everything is at in there, which is pretty good that you can just fit it all in this little case. I never use these cases, but you know, if you're somebody who does and you just, you know, like I said, being, you know, cleanliness, you want to keep it tight, wrapped up, here you go. So let's see what we have here. Nice little case. You definitely throw this in your, you know, you could, ladies, you could throw this in your purse, throw this in your book bag, you know, your gym bag. Be feeling good to go. Get your instructions. There's your little clip. These are your Comply headphones. You can see right there, Comply premium headphones. So, I mean, the ear tips, you know what I'm talking about. These are all the rest of your ear tips. So, yeah, you get a lot. Like, you probably can't see that, but you get a bunch of little ear tips in there. I mean, if you can't find something to fit your specific ears in this pack, I don't know what else to tell you. Oh wow, so you got your headphones wrapped up here. Nice little wrap. Nice little Velcro strip. I just gotta say, man, everything so far has just been really nice. Like, everything is just packaged so nice and lovely. See your actual headphones. So you don't get a braided cable, you get a nice flat cable. So that should help with tangling. Okay, so you have a microphone, plus and minus, with a play and pause button, I'm guessing. So we'll try that out. All right, ooh, wow. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but you have this nice red right here on these black earbud tips. These are metal. These feel really solid. Like, I really feel like you could just throw this around and not feel any damage ever. We're not gonna hesitate anymore. I'm gonna put these in and see how they sound, because if they don't sound good, then it really don't matter. Now, this is as far as it goes, so, and you can't move this down. Like, if you're used to back in the day where you could like split the headphones down the middle and just have them all separate, nah, you can't do that on these. Here, let's plug these in. Yeah, I'm not mad at this. This is definitely a pair, this definitely, just from the looks and the feel, is a pair that I could rock around the house and feel real good. So let's go listen to some music. Okay, we got a new song by The Weeknd and Kendrick Lamar, Pray For Me. Let's try this out, see what's cracking. I haven't heard this. This is just brand new. Let's see what's cracking. Wow. Yo, this is like really balanced, super clean audio. It's a nice little bass. It's not overpowering. See, I've never heard this song, so I don't know. Okay, let me stop real quick. I was starting to boogie right there. I guess I never heard this song. The sound, man, is really clear. Isolation. Even when I first put them on, I could feel everything kind of disappearing. So it's not like noise, you know, canceling headphones. It's just some nice isolation once you get them in there, get them tucked in real good. Now, as far as hearing everything, soundstage is real nice and bright. When you're listening for some IEMs, you want to make sure you get really good clarity. Like, you should be able to hear the separation between instruments. You should be able to hear where the vocals are panned to, left and right, where it's coming from, if something is far away or something that's right up on you. And I'm definitely getting that with these. These have a very clean sound. Let me go to a song that I know has bass. Let's go Migos Motorsport. Now, I know that's got a lot of bass on it. Let's see what's up with that. You a dork? Never been a sport? Okay, all right. Yo, okay. Man, the Migos, I mean, they're just unintentionally hilarious to me. I don't know if they're like that for everybody else, man, but the bass is there. The bass is there. You got a nice, clean punch. It's not muddy. So sometimes when you have, like, you know, you have headphones that are tuned for bass, it's really muddy and overpowering. Now you get a nice clean representation of the bass. The mids are really, they're just present. They're right there. The mids are just right there. You can hear the vocals clearly. I can hear, you know, if the vocals have reverb on them, really clean. The highs are just nice and crisp. Like, this is an overall clean listening experience. Here, let's try something else. Let's see. I got a beat today from my little brother, T Mill. Let's see what that sounds like. Because I was listening to it in the car. I was blown away. Let's see how I feel about it right here. Woo! Woo! Yo! Come on! Hey! Woo! Yo! Oh! Alright, that's enough of me wilding out. Yo, these are official. These are official. I don't even know what to tell you. For 40, I think they're like $45 right now. Make sure you check the link down below to see if I'm right or wrong. But these like 40 bucks. These are super clean. The quality is there. You got a 2-year warranty. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Yeah, let's put these to the side. Let's see about this. The Krudul Duo. Where's my little knife? Let's see. Let's pop these open. Yeah, ooh, these are really high quality too. These are these are solid. You get your 3M pad here on the back, so you can stick this on the back of whatever. So let's say I want to stick one on the side of the studio monitor right there. Boom. Now I'm wrapping these up in them. That's not bad. What's this? Okay, this is for like a monitor. Like if you have a computer monitor or your laptop monitor, you just pull the pad, you stick this to the back of the monitor, have this coming off the side. Now you can wrap your headphones up in that. You take your two headphone parts, you have those right there. Boom. So now you can just wrap the rest of it in there. Boom. Have these hanging. Now you got your headphones in a place. They're not just laid out on the floor. So see, Hova ain't getting mad at you when she tripping or stepping on your headphones, or you get mad at somebody for stepping on your headphones because you just took them off your hair and you threw them down. Get you one of these. This is $10. This is like $10, $11. Now you got a nice little setup. This is high quality steel. Like, I don't know if you can hear this. Like, that's real, you know what I'm saying? You ain't damaging these. You get your little 3M pads. Yo, I don't know what to say. Shout out to the folks over at Brainwavz for sending this out. I think this might be my new listening setup when I'm in the house. I don't know. Is it gonna be for you? Check the link down below so you can pick one up. It's your kid, Dookie. I'm gonna get up out of here. Make sure you holler at your boy.